Hey guys, Dr. Zach Cummins with Infinity Wellness Center. So what we're going to be going over with this video is what is a chiropractic adjustment. Here at Infinity Wellness Center, we do adjustments very specifically based off of where the x-rays are that we took on their very first visit. So you can come over here, we'll take a look at what Troy's x-rays look like. If we look at Troy's x-rays right here, he was having lower back issues. His spine should go perfectly straight, like we see that green line, but his spine is actually shifted over to the right side. As well as if we look over here, this lower back curve, the lower back curve should be very similar to what that green line is, but his lower back is straightened out. So it's creating tension and pain down in this lower back. So what we do is we do multiple different styles of adjustments using the drop table, arthrostim, and activator. So the first thing we're going to be going over is the drop table adjustment of the lower back. These pieces right here will pop up as we perform the adjustment with the lower back down here. Now the table does make a lot of noise, and that just allows the force to be able to allow the adjustment to be more efficient, more light and gentle on the patient. And so we move around, figure out where the joint is stuck and not moving very well, get an impulse in there to get that mobility and that flexibility back into the joint. So that's what we would be doing for drop table adjustments. Now, sometimes we need to get a little bit more specific to one area of the lower back, and we would be using the arthrostim. Now with the arthrostim, we utilize a bunch of different what we call tips to get very specific to the area that we need. It sends a repetitive mechanical force into the joint to get the joint moving again, as well as helps to calm down any muscle tension or tightness that's occurring. So based off of where his x-rays or subluxations are in his spine, those are the areas we will be adjusting. And his spine does shift off to this right side, so we're going to help to shift it back over to the center. So that's a second style of adjustments that we can do for the lower back if you're having any lower back pain. The next one we would have here is known as an activator. Now the activator is also very similar to the arthrostim, where it does very specific pinpointed pulse into the joint to get that joint mobilized to free up the nerve to be able to communicate to the rest of the body. So we'll find out where the joint is not moving very well, and then we would do an impulse into that joint, recheck to make sure that joint is moving again. Those are the three different styles of adjustments that we would do for anyone who does have lower back discomfort or pain. Click below to be able to schedule an appointment with us at Infinity Wellness Center.